The event tonight is thanks to the people in the masonry field in Indiana. And we've got a few guests here whom I'd like to introduce. First, I'd like to introduce Otis Hayes, who is past president of the Indiana Concrete Masonry Association. And Otis, if you'd stand up, we'd like to have you recognized. All the sophomore students will understand that the ICMA is a big activity that they're involved in right tonight. If you were to go by the studio over in the basement of Lusana, Otis, you'd find them over there tonight working away on the solutions that are due sometime toward the end of the week, I think. I'm not sure exactly the due date. But the big sponsors for this evening's event is the Masonry Institute of Central Indiana. And with us tonight we have the vice president of that institute, Charles Douglas. Would you stand, Charles?